Asking for cake in a bakery.
Hello, it smells nice in here.
Thank you. Welcome to our bakery.
Do you have any cake today?
Let me check the case. I'm sorry, the shelf is empty.
Is there really no more cake?
We sold the last slice this morning.
Oh, I was looking forward to it.
We have fresh muffins and tarts.
What kind of tarts do you have?
We have apple, pear, and lemon tarts.
Are the tarts sweet?
Yes, they are very sweet and fresh.
I do like lemon.
Would you like to try a lemon tart?
Is it small or big?
It is a small tart, good for one person.
I will take one lemon tart, please.
Great. I will put it in a box for you.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Would you like a drink?
No, just the tart today.
That will be €3.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a good day too.
Looking for a lost ball in the park.
Did you see the ball here?
No, I do not see it now.
Was it red or green?
It was red with white stars.
Maybe it rolled away.
Should we check near the swing?
Yes, let us look there.
I see only a green ball.
Is it behind the bench?
No, it is just some leaves.
Let us try by the slide.
Okay, maybe a child took it.
Do you see any ball there?
Each see a red ball near the steps.
Does it have white stars?
Yes, that is the one.
Great, let us pick it up.
Now the child can play again.
I am glad we found it.
Me too. They will be so happy.
Thank you for looking with me.
You are welcome. Enjoy the park.
Arguing about what movie to watch.
What do you want to watch, David?
I do not know. Maybe an action movie?
We watched action last time.
That is true. What about comedy?
Which one do you mean?
I think the one with the big dog.
Oh, that movie is silly.
But it makes me laugh.
I want something with a good story.
Maybe we can try drama?
Drama is fine for me.
Do you want the movie with the train?
That movie makes me cry.
I forgot about that. Sorry, Sarah.
It is all right. What else is good?
Do you want to see something new?
New is nice. Is there a list?
Yes, here is one. I see a romance, too.
Oh, I love romance. Can we watch that?
Romance is not my favorite.
We can choose something for you next time.
All right, let us pick romance tonight.
Thank you, David.
You are welcome. Pass the popcorn.
Here you go. Movie time.
Arriving at the wrong gas station.
Hi, is this Main Street Gas?
No, this is River Road Gas.
Oh, I did not see the sign.
It is easy to miss.
I needed Main Street. I am meeting someone.
Do you want directions?
That would help.
Where are you coming from?
I am coming from Oak Avenue.
You drove past Main Street then.
Oh, I really was not looking.
It is only 5 minutes away.
Do I just turn back?
Yes, turn around and go left at the light.
Is it before the park?
Yes, you will see a red sign.
Thank you. That is clear.
You are welcome.
I was worried I would be late.
You should be on time.
Do people do this often?
Yes, it happens all the time.
That makes me feel better.
Do not worry, you are not alone.
Okay, I will go to the right place now.
Good luck and drive safe.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Deciding where to eat lunch together.
David, are you free for lunch?
Yes, I am free now.
Do you want to go out?
I think I do. Where should we go?
I cannot decide. I am tired of our usual place.
Me too. Maybe something new today.
How about the Italian cafe close by?
That place is nice, but I had pasta yesterday.
Do you want sandwiches instead?
Sandwiches are fine. There is that new shop.
I heard it is good, but is it busy?
I saw a line yesterday.
We have only 1 hour today.
Yes, I need to be quick too.
There is also the salad bar next street.
Do you like salads now?
Not always, but today maybe.
That place is never full. We can sit outside.
Yes, it is not raining now.
Should we try it then?
What will you get there?
Maybe chicken salad. And you?
I want something fresh, maybe with fruit.
Let us go now before it gets busy.
Great idea. I am ready.
Thank you for deciding.
Thank you for joining me.
Changing hotel rooms at the front desk.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Hello. I want to talk about my room.
Is everything fine with your room?
It is a little noisy. I cannot sleep well.
I am sorry about that. Is it noise from outside?
Yes, there is a lot of traffic.
Thank you for telling me. Would you like to change rooms?
Yes, I would like a quieter room.
Do you prefer a room on a higher floor?
Yes, a higher floor would be good.
Let me check what we have.
Thank you. I hope it is possible.
One moment, please. We have one room free on the 6th floor.
Is it far from the elevator?
No, it is close. It faces the garden.
That sounds much better.
Would you like to move now?
Yes, I am ready to move now.
Here is your new key card.
Should I bring my things myself?
I can ask someone to help if you want.
That would be nice. Thank you.
I will send someone now.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Talking about a package mistake.
Hello, Emily.
Hi, Daniel. How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am good, thank you.
Did you get a package today?
Yes, I picked one up.
Was it a small brown box?
Yes, it was small and brown.
I am waiting for a small box today.
Oh, maybe it is your box.
Does the label say Daniel?
I did not check. One moment. Here is the box.
Thank you, Emily.
Is your name on it?
Yes, it says Daniel Carter.
Oh no, I took your package.
It is okay. These boxes look the same.
I am really sorry, Daniel.
No problem at all.
Did you see my package there?
Yes, I see a box for Emily Reed.
That is mine. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Easy mistake.
Next time I will check better.
Me too. Have a nice day.
You too, Daniel.
Two friends catch up and share news.
It is so good to see you.
I am happy you are here.
How have you been lately?
I am fine. A bit busy.
Busy? What is new?
Work is very busy right now.
I see. What are you working on?
A new project at the office.
That sounds big. Is it hard?
It is a little difficult, but interesting.
You can do it. I know you can.
Thank you for saying that.
Did anything fun happen?
Yes, my cat is learning new tricks.
That is so funny. What can your cat do?
She can jump and give a paw now.
You must show me one day.
I will send you a video soon.
I have some news too.
Oh, do you? What happened?
I got a new job offer.
Wow, that is amazing.
Thank you. I am very happy.
You really deserve it.
I was nervous to tell you.
I am always happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Let us celebrate soon.
Asking about a new drink in a cafe.
Good morning. What is that pink drink?
Good morning. That is our new berry latte.
Berry latte. What is in it?
It is made with fresh berries and milk.
Is it sweet?
Yes, it is a little sweet. Not too much.
What kind of berries do you use?
We use strawberries and raspberries.
Oh, I like raspberries.
Many people like them.
Is it hot or cold?
You can have it hot or iced.
Which one do you think is better?
I like the iced one. It is fresh.
Can I try a small one?
Of course. Would you like it iced?
Yes, iced is good.
Would you like cream on top?
No cream, please.
No problem. One small iced berry latte.
How much is it?
It is $4.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. I will make it now.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your drink.
Helping with a birthday invitation.
Are you ready to start your invitation?
Yes, I am ready now.
Good. Who do you want to invite?
I want to invite my friends from class.
How many friends do you want?
I think 5 friends will come.
That is a nice number. What will you write?
Should I say what time the party starts?
Yes, they need to know the time.
Can we make the party at 3 o'clock?
3 o'clock is fine. Where will it be?
Here, in our house.
Do you want to add balloons?
Yes, I want to draw balloons.
You can use these colored pens.
Red and blue are the best for balloons.
Do you want to write your name?
Yes, I will write from Ryan.
Make sure you write clearly.
My writing is always a bit messy.
I can help you if you want.
Yes, please help me. Thank you.
You are welcome. Let us write it together.
This looks great now.
You worked very well. Good job.
Thank you for your help.